Hi there, Dr. Sandhu here from Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. Now I have the wonderful pleasure of having Joanna. Now Joanna is familiar with the clinic, she's familiar with myself, and she brought her father, who is visiting her from Poland, right, to come and see me. Now Joanna, why did you bring your dad?
Dad was having very long time lower back and his knee pain, all connected together.
Right, and you went to the doctors and they were thinking about giving him an injection?
Yes, cortisone injection and pain injections, and that's it.
That's right. But luckily they didn't.
They didn't.
And then you remembered to come here?
Yes.
And you brought him in. Now, one of the problems that your dad had was a problem with his shoulder, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Yeah. And he'd fallen over about 2 years ago, and it was his right shoulder.
Yes.
So, Waldemar, would you mind just lifting your shoulder up for me? How does that feel?
Jak się czujesz?
Good. So, your dad is visiting you from Poland. So, would you mind just telling audience out there a little bit, just in Polish, just about what it was that happened, with your dad and what brought you here?
Tata przyjechał do mnie w odwiedziny i zaczął się bardzo duży ból pleców i nogi, tak również ramienia po wypadku. Przyszliśmy tutaj, doktor naprawdę mu pomógł. Może podnieść rękę z powrotem, plecy i kolano już go tak nie boli.
Fantastic.
Zapraszam was wszystkich.
Okay, so dad had the knee problem, he had the shoulder problem. So obviously the shoulder people have seen. How does he feel now after the treatment?
Jak się czujesz po wizycie?
Dobrze.
Good.
Fantastic. So you're glad you brought him?
Yes, I am.
Brilliant. So guys, if you're out there and you're struggling with knee problems, hip problems, back problems, right, because I treat the whole body, then please don't just rely on going to the GP and getting medication, having injections, which steroid injections are now, they're known, right, to damage the joint. Yes, you'll get some temporary relief, but long term, you will not get real benefit out of having the injection. So give us an opportunity to find out what's going on and to deal with underlying problem and put a smile back on your face. What are you waiting for?